Welcome all of you to Dail Wood Technology channel, a place that brings the best experiences about wood processing and transportation technology. Today, we will witness extremely risky wood cutting scenes requiring skillful techniques and equally interesting giant wood transportation scenes. Every moment is the perfect combination of strength and finesse. Prepare yourself, turn up the volume, and join me in this challenging and fascinating world. Are you ready? If so, let's follow along now so you don't miss any thrilling moments. And don't forget to subscribe, like to support the channel, as well as receive the latest videos from us. We will witness one of the greatest challenges in wood cutting, facing a giant tree. With support from a helper, each movement will have to be extremely delicate and precise. This is not only engineering, but also art, where the line between success and danger is always fragile. Are you brave enough to do this? The tree is falling. Look, this giant tree stump is truly impressive, with its enormous size demonstrating the power of nature. Now, the worker will begin the next step, cutting this tree stump into smaller pieces. This heavy-duty vehicle is doing the job of sawing wood easily and quickly. Instead of having to use human strength, this support tool has optimized everything, making sawing wood more convenient than ever. Look, each large tree trunk is cut cleanly in just a moment. Impressive and fast, isn't it? Wood transportation process with large capacity? With modern machines, just one operator can complete a huge amount of work, far different from before when many workers were needed. Look at this heavy vehicle. It easily lifts and transports huge tree trunks quickly and efficiently. Technology has truly changed the way we work, saving energy and time significantly. Unexpected situation on the road when a long truck carrying wood was blocking the entire road. A scene of chaos, reminder about risks during transportation. A truck transporting large wooden crates is bravely crossing a flooded road. The flood water rose and flowed rapidly, but the car continued to move forward strongly in the murky water, creating a challenging and thrilling scene. Smoke rose from the engine as the car attempted to move through flooded waters. In the yard, a man is diligently sawing dry and broken tree branches. To clean the surrounding area, he made a fire in the middle of the tree to burn it down. This cleaning not only helps the yard become tidier, but also creates a fresh living space closer to nature. large machines are working in harmony to harvest wood effectively. A specialized tractor is neatly cleaning old trees. A truck loaded with huge logs is stuck on a rough dirt road in the middle of the forest. The heavy weight of the large wooden trunks caused the car to tilt. The tires seemed to sink deep into the soft soil. The car was old, with a time-worn look, as if facing a harsh challenge from nature. The surrounding wild landscape further highlights the difficulty of transporting forest resources in difficult terrain. A big blue car is working hard on the riverbank. With its long crane, it gently scoops and pulls very long tree trunks from under the water. The scene next to the wooden harbor is bustling and vibrant. The sparkling river water reflects the sunlight, and under the water are large blocks of wood lying waiting to be pulled up. The car is like a small yacht, but with incredible power, trying to push huge blocks of wood ashore. Around, people work actively, together creating a harmonious picture between nature and labor. The feeling of unity is wonderful and invigorating. A man is diligently sawing a giant tree that is burning at the base. The fire burned brightly, creating thick smoke billowing into the sky. After a while of tiring work, the giant tree finally fell with a loud bang. The wood picker, with flexible mechanical arms, is capable of lifting heavy blocks of wood off the ground, providing absolute power and precision. These vehicles, like giant steeds, are capable of overcoming any terrain, from rough roads to steep hills. Equipped with a powerful saw blade, it can easily cut large tree trunks into even pieces, ensuring no waste of wood. For is equipped with advanced cutting technology, including the SuperCut 100 saw unit, which allows for precise and efficient cutting. Its hydraulic system ensures optimal performance, adapting well to different forestry operations. loaded with giant wooden trunks was trying to overcome the muddy road. The huge wheels sank deep into the mud, creating a scene of tilting, but it was able to move forward. A simple but effective automated design is being used to transport logs home. This system consists of a sturdy wooden frame, fitted with large wheels, allowing for easy rolling on steep roads. Users can easily control and adjust the height of the frame, ensuring that large logs can be lifted easily without encountering any obstacles. With innovative ideas and ingenuity, this design is more than just a smart solution for wood harvesting. Mounted on a state-of-the-art cutting system, the saw blade glides through the wood like a conductor orchestrating the flow of labor. With circular saw blades, logs are not only cut easily, but also achieve high perfection, ready for the next processing steps.
Right before our eyes is one of the most spectacular moments. A massive truck unloading tons of heavy timber at the workshop. It's clear that stacking the wood on the truck was done with precision to optimize space and ensure balance at the center of gravity. Wow! A modern piece of machinery equipped with a powerful spiral drill, specially designed to handle tree stumps and deep-rooted systems in the soil. When stumps are not thoroughly removed, they can hinder new cultivation or disrupt construction processes. Similarly, are you impressed by this forestry stump handling machine? Every machine comes with its own unique advantages and limitations. However, uprooting an entire stump is made possible thanks to the Stump Excavator, equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful rotary mechanism. The massive size of the stump and its surrounding roots are quickly dealt with, thanks to the support of a robust engine and an optimized cutting rotation system. Oh, look at that. It's like he's riding and whipping a horse. So fascinating. What lies before us is not just a simple task, but a testament to extraordinary courage and remarkable skill. When performing tasks at heights of several dozen meters, the worker must not only contend with environmental factors like strong winds, high humidity, or unstable tree surfaces, but also execute each saw cut with precision. This ensures the tree is cut properly without posing a danger to themselves or those on the ground. To help you understand better, let's take a closer look from the perspective of a high-altitude tree cutter. With years of experience in the trade, you can see that his rope climbing skills are truly remarkable. It may look simple, but when you actually try to do it, it's incredibly challenging. Oh my God, this guy is even more incredible. He swung on a rope from the tree to the roof and then down to the ground. What a skill! But please don't try this at home. For maximum safety, we should combine the use of ladders and ropes, just like this guy. Using safety equipment such as harnesses, helmets, and specialized climbing gear allows workers to maintain stability on vertical tree trunks. And balance effectively while sawing. Additionally, modern chainsaws are designed to be lightweight yet incredibly powerful, enabling workers to operate efficiently even in tight spaces or challenging angles. The mistake made by these two men in handling the tree resulted in severe consequences as the tree fell directly onto the roof, causing significant damage. Let's analyze the reasons and lessons from this situation. It seems the workers failed to thoroughly assess the tree's center of gravity, the resistance from wind, or surrounding factors. Cutting down a tree requires creating a precise and deep enough cut at the correct angle to guide its fall direction. In areas near residential structures, using ropes or support equipment to control the tree's fall direction is crucial. The clear consequence here is the partial destruction of the house's roof, highlighting the importance of careful planning. The sight of a red vehicle towing a truck carrying tons of timber through a swampy terrain is a clear testament to the power of machinery and its ability to handle harsh environments. With its wide track system, the vehicle can distribute its weight evenly across the ground, preventing it from sinking into the mud. This allows it to easily tow other vehicles or heavy cargo, even in complex and challenging landscapes.
Verga. Mira algo bonito, viejo. Ay, Dios santo.
Oh my God! When he just cut off the top of the tree, it started swaying back and forth violently, so dangerous. Luckily, he was able to avoid injury when he fell from that height. This stump grinder is equipped with high-speed rotating grinding or cutting blades, capable of grinding down and completely removing the stump, including exposed roots. When the machine operates, its powerful engine drives the blades, and compared to using an excavator or a handsaw, the stump grinder can process a large stump in just a few minutes, significantly saving time and labor. The grinding process generates wood chips that can be reused on site, minimizing waste and enhancing the ability to recycle natural resources. Wow! This tree clearing machine has the ability to handle everything from the roots to the crown, turning the entire tree into chips in an instant. It can process multiple small trees at once in just a few minutes, from chopping down the tree, grinding the trunk, to cutting the branches into smaller pieces. This saves a tremendous amount of time and effort compared to manual methods. The wood chips created during the shredding process can be used as organic fertilizer, mulch for covering soil, or even as biomass fuel. With its compact design and track system, the machine can easily move across various terrains, from soft ground to steep or rugged landscapes. Oh, seeing a man bring down a massive tree without damaging the nearby fence is a clear testament to his technical knowledge, years of experience, and exceptional skill.
Oh shit. Holy shit. Oh. Oops.
This stump grinder is equipped with a high-speed rotating grinding wheel, integrated with ultra-durable cutting blades. When in operation, the grinding wheel directly contacts the surface of the stump, gradually grinding down layers of wood until the entire stump is turned into sawdust. The machine can process large stumps in just a few minutes, instead of the hours required by traditional methods. With its quick processing capability and ability to create reusable byproducts, this device not only optimizes labor productivity, but also contributes to promoting sustainable development. A typical example of the severe impact of natural disasters on our living environment and how humans respond quickly and effectively. In this situation, an excavator is performing a challenging task, dragging a massive tree trunk that was uprooted by a storm, with its roots torn out and the tree leaning onto the roof. Large trees with extensive root systems are often victims of strong winds. When wind speeds exceed the tree's tolerance, especially on soft or waterlogged soil, the roots can no longer provide enough grip to keep the tree upright. A creative and intelligent design in the wood processing industry, this device combines a standard chainsaw with a stabilizing system and an automatic throttle mechanism. This integration enhances efficiency, safety, and precision during the wood cutting process. The chainsaw is securely mounted on a sturdy metal frame. This ensures the saw remains stable, reduces vibrations, and guarantees precise cutting. When a log enters the cutting zone, the throttle is automatically activated to start the blade and begin the cutting process. Once the wood is cut and moved out of the cutting area, the system automatically shuts off the throttle, ensuring safety and fuel efficiency. Oh, a crane is lifting a massive log that was just cut down from high above. Oh my God, it seems like the crane's load capacity wasn't enough, and it immediately flipped over, tipping back. Look at this. A massive ancient tree suddenly toppled by a strong gust of wind. It wasn't just a simple breakage. The tree's roots were pulled up, lifting a massive root ball out of the ground. In reality, when a tree falls, it's not just the force of the wind at play, but also the weakening of the tree's root system, sometimes due to overly saturated soil or the tree being too old. Do you ever wonder why he has to sit like that? It's simple. The load in the back is so heavy that without this position, the truck could easily tip over or even lift off the ground, as if it's trying to take off. In reality, this is a very smart and scientifically sound strategy. Wow, when the truck climbs a slope, gravity affects the entire load, making it even harder to ascend. Without careful calculation and adjustment, the truck can easily lose traction or even slide backward. The Dail 462 machine with a powerful engine, impressive at 62 cubic centimeters. The John Deere 1270G is capable of automatically adjusting the cutting angle and reach depth, allowing it to cut trees up to several meters tall in a very short amount of time. This vehicle, while attempting to navigate a narrow, winding, and challenging slope, is carrying a massive load of timber with towering planks stacked high in the truck bed. Little by little, the green truck gradually climbs the narrow slope, inching forward with each step, demonstrating the endurance and power of a vehicle designed to operate in the most challenging conditions. The CBI 5400 BT wood grinder, equipped with sharp cutting blades, harnesses the power of a massive diesel engine combined with an advanced drivetrain system, enabling the machine to process tons of wood per hour. Oh my God, this man has invented a wood cutting machine powered by a bicycle. He can cut wood while also getting a workout at the same time. Wow, similarly, this is another creative handmade tool. Men use cables and the power of their legs to rotate the log, allowing them to carve and shape it. Wow, can you believe it? Wood, which is so heavy, is lowered as easily as flipping a hand. Discover this masterful technology now. These timber logs weighing hundreds of kilograms, this equipment utilizes the principle of leverage, combined with an advanced hydraulic system to distribute force optimally. Surprisingly, the massive logs are lowered gently, with no impact noise and without any displacement. If you had a machine at home that could handle these large wooden blocks, everything would be incredibly simple and amazing. Wow! In the midst of the wild forest, this is a true steel warrior, transporting massive logs across a harsh journey. The drivetrain system is engineered to withstand heavy loads, while evenly distributing force across the wheels to maintain balance on rugged terrain. When felling a tree, proper cutting technique not only prevents the tree from falling crookedly, but also protects you from those heart-stopping moments. This technique is based on a simple mechanical principle, yet requires high skill. It ensures the tree only falls in two directions, forward and backward. Follow the standard procedure and adhere to safety protocols.